Write the date today. It's 1st Feb. 7.8 Generate Equivalent Expressions. Turn to page number 401. Generate equivalent expressions. Malak, read out equivalent expressions. What does that mean? Equivalent expressions.
Equivalent expressions are equal to each other for any values of variables. For example, x plus 3 and 3 plus x are equivalent. You can use properties or operations to write equivalent expressions.
You remember, girls, the properties of addition? Commutative, if I say you 2 plus 3, you will say me 3 plus 2. It's same as 3 plus 2. If I ask you 3 times 2, you will say me 3 times 2 is same as 2 times 3. So that is commutative property of addition. When it is a plus sign, it is commutative property of multiplication when it is a multiplication sign. Now, you have seen here we have 3 properties. Associative property. You will just change the brackets or change the parenthesis, the style of parenthesis. And here 8 plus b was in parenthesis and here 5 plus 8 was in parenthesis. But both will give you same answer. Any number if you add to 0 will give you the same number. That is identity property of addition. Same way you have commutative property of multiplication. D times 9 equals 9 times D. If I ask you 35 times X, you will say it's same as X times 35. 4 plus X is same as X plus 4. Just flip it. And here in associative property or associative property, you can see that I just changed the positions of the parentheses, that's it. 1 time f equal f is the identity property of multiplication. Anytime if you multiply with 1, give you the same number. Okay, so here Nelson ran Nelson ran 2 miles, 3 laps, and 5 miles. Okay, 2 miles and 3 laps and 5 miles. So I don't know laps is how many miles. So 2 plus 3L plus 5. This represents the total distance in miles, where L is the length in miles of 1 lap. Write an equivalent expression with only 2 terms. 2 terms means you will add the numbers. See, you have 2, you have 3L, you have 5. Don't you think so? 2 and 5 are numbers, I can add them. I can add the numbers, but I cannot add L. Why? Because this is a number and this is with the variable. And I cannot find any family member. I cannot find one more L. So you know that 5 plus 2 is 7. The like terms are 2 and 5. Use commutative property, use associative property to regroup the terms and with parentheses. Now I have 3L plus 7. If I use commutative property, I mean associative, I will just change the position. I'll write 3L plus 2 plus 5. I'll make in parentheses. I'll write 3L plus 7 and I get 3L plus 7. Other way, girls, even I can write. Did you understand this or no till here? Simple. Just we change the process, switch the places. 3L is bought here and 2 is bought here with parentheses. This becomes associative property. Previously it was like this and now it became the other way. Just I switched the positions and I told 3L plus 2 plus 5. I put in parentheses, that is 3L plus 7. Your answer is 3L plus 7.
Okay, miss, there is no equal.
Where there is no equal, my dear? Where are you asking? At the last?
Yeah.
See, is, they wrote here is. That means it is equal to 3L plus 7. This is a sentence.
Yeah.
That's why they will never write in sentence equal. They'll write is 3L plus 7. I will just quickly solve few of them. See, 7x I'll quickly solve. Please look at it carefully. Even before I told you, search for same family. All are x. I can add them, right? If all are x, I will add them. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. My answer is 14x. Now here, 8a, I'll bring all family members together because this is 8a and this is 2a. But remember, it's minus 2a plus 11. 8 minus 2 is 6a plus 11. Malak?
Yeah.
See here, this is 8a and this is 2a. They are same family. Am I correct?
Yeah.
So I can minus 8 minus 2 because both are a and a. So let me bring them together. 8a minus 2a plus 11. So what is 8 minus 2? 6a. Plus
6.
Lean, here I have 12b minus 8b. What is 12b minus 8b? Yes, Lean? What is 12b minus 8? First of all, b and b, they are like terms. They are same family. I can minus it. 12 minus 8. What is it, Lean? Yes, 12 minus 8.
4.
So I'll write 4b plus 3 is my answer. Because 3 doesn't have any number so that I could add them. Are you getting my point? How to do
Yeah,
this?
miss, can you do number 4 because like
Yes,
I
do
don't
it.
understand.
Yes, what
Yeah.
in 9c and
C.
plus c plus c. There is same family. If there is nothing next to c, that means there is 1. What's the answer? 9 plus 1?
10. 10C.
Yeah. Do fifth one.
4P and a minus, there's 1. It's going to be 1.
What's the answer?
3.
Very good.
3P.
Say only 3 because you have a family here. We cannot leave them alone like that. Plus 1.
Plus 1.
Okay. 8y minus 2y, 6y plus half. Now, if you want, you can take a picture because this is not there in your book. Next, while
Yeah, miss.
practicing for your test, you will practice all of these, okay?
Okay.
Turn to page 402. Example 1. 5a, that is 5 times a, that's 8 times a. They're opening it. 8a means 8 times a. 5a means 5 times a. I can take 5a common, 5 plus 8. And what is 5 plus, as we are doing it, what are you doing? What did I teach you? I taught you add 5 plus 8. So I'm adding 5 plus 8. And of course, you know that a is there. So what is 5 plus 8? 13.
13.
That here the relation is times minus 16. So your answer is 13a minus 16 and 13a minus 16. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Don't get confused with all these steps. Remember what I taught you. That's it. 5a plus 8a, I told you add 5 and 8. And you have a times a, that is times a here, minus 16. So you got 13 times a minus 16, that is 13a minus 16. Did you copy it?
Yeah.
Malak, finished?
Yes.
This means 6 times y, girls. This one I will solve again and explain you. Whenever you see a question like this, 6 and parenthesis y plus 7. That means 6 is for y and 6 is for 7. 6 times y is 6y and 6 times 7. 6y plus 6 times 7 is 42. So your answer is 6y plus 42 is equal to 6y plus 7. Now, girls, this question 12a plus 8b, I will explain you first on the Y screen and then I will 12a plus 8b. 12a plus 8b. 12 and 8, in which timetable do they come together?
2.
And more, bigger?
4.
4.
4.
4 times 3 and 4 times 2. What is common in both? What is
4.
in both?
Mm,
4, very good. 4 and I take them outside. And even A is there. No. A is not there. Here it is A, here it is B. Can I take A or B? No. Because both
No.
have different. And I cannot even add them. Can I add them?
No.
Add 12 plus 8?
no.
No, because A and B, not same family, different family. We say in mathematics, like terms and unlike terms. They are unlike. They are not like. Anyways, 4 is same. I took it in parentheses. What is left?
3.
3A plus what is left here?
2B.
Very good, very good. Let me erase it. Did you understand this, Malak?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I took 4 outside. Okay, like example in your mind, it doesn't come that 4. It comes about 2. So if you take 2 times 6 and 2 times 4. So you take 2 outside and then you have 6A plus 4B. But still 6 and 4 can be done. 2 times 3 and 2 times 2. So this is the other procedure. Anyways. Write down, girls. 4 times 3A and 4 times 2B. So 4 is common in both. I took 4 outside and 3A plus 2. Done?
Done.
Yeah.
Okay. Question 2. Can you do, Malak?
Okay. 20A, 16A. Wait, plus 19 and 20.
19 and 20? 20
And 16, I
plus
mean.
16. Yes, 20 plus 16. You will plus
Yeah.
get A here plus 18. So what do you get?
Yeah.
Add them.
If we add 20 by 16, it will be 36. And plus 18.
Don't forget A. 36 A plus 18.
Yeah, we put the A with
Yes.
36.
Here, both are same R and R. I'll just minus 3, 7 over 10 minus 1, 5 over 10 R. You remember, I told you first take the whole numbers. I get 2. And then 7 minus 5 over 10 is 2 over 10. You remember this? 3, first you will subtract the whole numbers. And then you will subtract 7 over 10 minus 5 over 10. Same denominators, I can minus them. I have 2 over 10. If you want, you can simplify or else leave it. That will give you 2, 1 over 5, but leave it. When they gave you the answer, this one. Lean is not here with me. Lean. Okay, Malak. Sorry, Vatin, do this one. Question number 3.
Okay. 7s and 10s is going to be together.
Okay, 7 plus 10, parenthesis,
17.
plus, 1 minute. See, do the step. Do the step. 7
Okay.
plus 10, S. And next we have
8
plus parenthesis and 3. So we have 17S plus
S plus 20 T.
Very good. So can you do the 4th, 5th, and 6th? I'm just coming.
Yeah.
You have the answers here. Let's try to solve it. Question number 4. They just open it to H. You get AHH. 8 times 1.5. You got something like 12. Here, both have 4. I took 4 outside. It becomes 4m plus p. Here, 3 and 9. 3 times 1, 3 times 3. So I have 3 common. 1a means A and 3b is left. There's any question you don't understand?
No mistake.
Malak?
No.
All okay? All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I clear this?
Yeah.
Yes.
Come on your own. One I'll do with Malak and one I'm gonna do with Vatin. Come on, Vatin, first one. Let us open it. First, you need to 35, 3.5 times W plus 3.5 times 7. So when I do 3.5, I get W direct, plus when I multiply 35 and 7.
35.
25, right? So, no, 24. So I get plus
24.5.
Yes. Here half F, I multiply, I get half F plus 10 over 5 is nothing but plus E. It's like this, half F plus half times 10. When I say times 10, 2 times 1, 2 times 5. So I get 5. This I multiply, I get 12Z. This I multiply, I get 8. It's nothing but seagulls opening. First to first one, first to second one. 4 times 3Z plus 4 times 2. So I get 12Z plus 8. Girls, am I fast?
No.
Are you getting this?
Yeah.
Let's see. When you have parenthesis, open it. When you don't have parenthesis, try to. When you have parenthesis, open it. When you don't have parenthesis, try to take common. Like example, you have 20B plus 16C. Both of them, which timetable it comes? 4. 4 times 5 and 4 times 4. What is common?
4.
5b plus 4c.
Four.
This is your answer. So this time there was no parenthesis in the question, so I had to take it out. Here also there is no parenthesis in what do you call as question number 11. So better girls, you must write it down. If you just write the answer, you will not understand. 30 and 6 to 18. 6 times 5 and 6 times 3. You can only do these questions when you are good at timetables. 6 times 5 and 6 times 3. What is common? This is your answer. Your 24G and 8H. Yes, 24 and 8. Malak, you know the timetable of 8? 8 times 3 is 24. And 8 times 1 is 8. What is common?
It will be 8 times 1 and 8 times 3.
In both you have 8. So 8 you can take it outside. What is left side? What is left here, Malak?
Left here, it's going to be 3 and 1.
3G. 3G minus 1.
And 1.
That means 8
H.
G minus H. Okay? Done?
Yeah, miss.
That's it. Question number 13, just write the answer.
Yeah, miss. I wrote it.
And inshallah, I'll continue my class in science. Okay? Have a nice day, guys.
Have a nice day.